show you my cars, and yeah, I'm gonna show you them for today, and there's quite a lot of them, and there they are. As I show you, there's a lot. Some of them are scared, some of them are not. Oh, that's a bunch. It's cars. Whoa. Yeah, that you have a car station stuff there. Ooh, wow. Wow. Cool is cool. There's the truck and the other truck. Ooh. Ooh, wow, ka-chow. Wow. Wow, ka-chow. Sam is here again, and I'm going to show you my car. Before I collected my Transformers, I collected my Disney cars. Guys, these are my big, green, huge, and can I put it down? Okay, this is Tina and Nina. This is Mater, an old dusty truck that picks up cars that cannot move, and that's all he got. And sometimes he becomes this one, a monster truck, a fire hopper, a sea diver. This is Red, a fire truck that can take fire up, and he's a little bit scared, and he likes roses. That's why he likes. After in the Cars movie, in part 2, he was like, he also cries. When the king was going to Chinese place, so Red was like crying, and that's Red's act. This is Golden McQueen. She's like McQueen, but he has still the same act as McQueen. Like, he's fast, shows videos, and also shows TV shows, and he also shows you Rusty that you can be clean, and he's a racer. He can drive fast. He's like fast. His wheels are gold too, but in the original he is like red. That's Golden McQueen. Spin whistle from Cars 2. He's an agent from Cars 2. He can transfer stuff like a plane, a sea diver, but he has guns on here. He has bomb wheels, and he is quite an agent. He can also swim in water, and he can take his tires out, and he can go underwater. Cool. He has a friend boat, but the friend boat is far from him now. This is Tia and Mia. They are twins, and they like McQueen. They're McQueen's fans, and they keep on saying, "I love you, McQueen," and they're always happy. Do you know why they have Flash? For McQueen. That's for Tia and Mia, and they're also more cars. This is Sally, a blue car, but McQueen has a crush on her, and she quite lives in a painting thingy, and she gives McQueen a house, and she is a racer too, but a little bit like a car, but yeah, that's Sally, but Sally's also, that's Sally. color changer Ramon. He can change in a color, but in the movie, his wheels can go up like, and his coins can be painted like this, like this, like this, like this, and quite everything. That's Ramon. Doc is a famous racer. He actually crashed when McQueen saw his picture, and Doc also heals people. He's quite like this, but you can see his downer part wheels. You see the difference? And Doc is a great racer. He heals cars that load up that, and that's Doc. This is Chipcakes, a bad racer. He bumps any cars like that. I also did like this to Dinoco. He got broken. That's why he's 9 part 2. He's a cheater. He's also bad. He also wanted to be famous, but cheater. That's Kicks. This is Sergeant, a mad police or soldier, and Squirrel was angry because Sergeant says, "Yes, sir!" And Sergeant has a wheel here, but in part 2, he brought his friends, and Sergeant was the one who catched this guy and this guy. So yeah, that's Sergeant. Yeah. This is Francesco, a really good racer, but he lost when McQueen was going in the race, but McQueen had to help, but he always wins. But his first race, and McQueen, he won. He's really fast, and there's a one because he's a famous one. And this is a color changer. In the glass, it's not. That's good. This is my famous, lovable car, and I like him because he's fast. This is McQueen, red version, so huge. And he also said, "I knew this for breakfast," and that's in the beginning. And I told you about all in the gold, so that's why I'm telling you about the usual. Good. And thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.